Oh man, just look at all this fruit. Biggest challenge is finding out how to place the ladder so I can get more of it. It's so cool. Just look up in this canopy of fruit. All you see is plums everywhere. It's so cool. View's not bad either. Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Today I'm out here in the garden and we are finishing up. My wife and I are just picking all the rest of the plums that we could get. There's maybe a few left. I might come back, try to do just a couple more tomorrow, but got all the easy to get ones and just wanted to show you guys. And meanwhile, I was using this bag. My wife and I got this when we were in New Hampshire like years and years ago, after we first got married, and I just love the message. I just noticed it. Reduce, reuse, rethink your choices, and goes along really well with a lot of the stuff I've been talking about lately. You know, trying to simplify our lives. Excuse me. And yeah, just really rethinking kind of our choices. And I think this is really good in a lot of ways. This message, this can be applied environmentally, obviously, with growing your own food, reducing your carbon footprint, reducing your plastic use, a whole bunch of kind of related topics, some of which I've talked about before, reusing materials like I did for the planters from toilet paper rolls and all sorts of stuff like that. So I just think this was a beautiful message to see kind of as I was picking the fruit. And just as a pro tip, if you're going up on the ladder, it's easier to bring up a bag than to bring up a container, so or a bowl or anything. So it was pretty nice. You just loop the little handle over the end of the ladder, and then it's easy to pick everything. And check out this bounty. We got 3 pretty big bowls full of plums, and these plums, I would say now, are actually even sweeter and better than the ones that we got at the start of the plum season. So yeah, just such a wealthy harvest here, abundance, and I think just based on the amount that I did before, I think I had about 2 bowls worth about this big, and that got me like 13, I think it was 13 jars of jam. So I did have some elderberry added to it too, so I mean it might be a little less, but let's just round it down. Let's say at least 10 for every 2 of these bowls. So this is probably at least another good 15, I would say, because this is a pretty big bowl too. It's actually bigger, and yeah, it's just amazing. I can't wait to cook these up, get these put away as well in the pantry. Gonna have a ton of fresh fruit preserved for us for the winter time. So yeah, it's just amazing. Definitely pretty incredible when you think that two trees are able to produce just so much fruit. And we had so much that fell off too, and my mom got some. We're gonna give some to my mother-in-law, and yeah, it's just, there's so much on here. And really these 2 trees have been neglected, so I can only imagine like what they would have been able to produce if they had been taken care of and properly mulched and all this kind of stuff. And yeah, pretty amazing. So yeah, I just wanted to share it with you. Hope you enjoyed this, and keep it short for today. See you guys in the next one, and just leave you with this message again: reduce, reuse, rethink your choices. See what you can do today to just kind of make the world a little bit better for everybody. All right, see you guys. Bye.